guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and I do all things curvy, plus size, try on hauls. I hope that if you're not already subscribed, you hit that subscribe button and join the fam. Today's video, I am doing a Skims review and unboxing for you guys. I know she had like a million collections. This woman like does not sleep. I kind of went for the essential shapewear picks just because I'm such a shapewear fanatic. You guys know if you saw my last Spanx review, I live and die for shapewear. So, but I also picked pieces that were kind of like newer, things that I haven't tried before. I have tried a few of the other shapewear pieces and I just felt like those pieces were a little hit and miss, but just to try to help you guys who are like looking for essential shapewear pieces, just didn't try Skims, because when you go to that site, I feel like it's a little overwhelming because there's just so many things to choose from. So I hope this is helpful to you and just like deciding what to choose. And if you have a body type that's kind of like similar to mine, that way you kind of know like what sizes to get. So I'm typically a size 16 and I prefer my shapewear to be really snatched, so I'm excited to try these pieces today. Before we jump into our Skims review though, I want to share with you guys this perfume brand that I've really been loving. So their name is Dossier. Look how cute this packaging is, you guys. Super chic. Basically, like what this brand does is they take really iconic scents we know and love and they sort of reproduce them in their own spin, make them really affordable for us. So these are great dupes basically for super expensive designer high-end scents. And we love a good dupe. Each scent on their site is only 29 bucks, which I think is super affordable if you're mimicking a high-end designer scent, you know, for only 29 bucks, that's pretty good. So I actually picked out two from the brand, and my fave of the two was actually this Woody Sage. This is a dupe for the iconic Jo Malone Wood Sage and Sea Salt scent. You guys know me, you know I love Jo Malone, one of my go-to brands, but they are pricey, and Jo Malone is kind of meant for like layering, so to get your own individual scent, and it's unisex. And so it can really add up when you're trying to layer a few scents. I absolutely love that they have reproduced this scent. I absolutely love that I can get these scents at a more affordable price. And they actually give you a little breakdown of the notes right there. So this one has the top notes of fig tree, grapefruit, middle notes of marine notes, ambrette, and the base notes is clary, sage, and amberwood. And you guys, when I tell you this smells exactly like the Jo Malone one, I'm serious. It smells so good. It's super like earthy and light, and I really like scents like that smell like fresh, earthy. I'm not too big on like fruity scents anymore, so, and it just smells like very luxe, if you know what I mean. And I actually love that each box comes with a little sample size of the perfume so that you can try this on freely, wear it throughout the day, see how it kind of like works with your body chemistry. And if you're not feeling it, you don't like it, then you can return the perfume within 30 days. No questions asked, girl. I just feel like that makes you feel more comfortable, like trying something out. If you don't like it, you could just return it, not a big deal. Dossier was actually kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys to get some cash off your purchase. Thank you so much for Dossier to sponsoring this portion of the video, and thank you guys for watching that and just allowing me to have sponsored content now. Your girl's a real YouTuber now, and we're doing it. Okay, so let's get back to the shapewear. Okay, so the first one, you guys, came in an actual Skims branded bag. I'm kind of living for this, to be honest, because this really screams like I take my shapewear really seriously. I have it in its own protective case and back off. So the one that came in here is the bonded contour brief. So this is the most like heavy duty that the line offers, and I had to put it to the test. This one is more on the expensive side between everything, like I said, because it's the most heavy duty, so it's $78. But I love a good, as you guys know me, I love a high-waisted brief, high-waisted thong, like sign me up. I like the tummy control for me personally. I can tell this one is like so stiff, like it is like, actually very thick. It has a little ridging in the booty there. I feel like this one's gonna hurt. I don't know. It's giving me like painful shapewear vibes. Okay, you guys, this one was an absolute fail. This clearly is like rolling over so many different times here. It's just, yeah. It's like way too small. It was really hard to get on, painful to get on. But even if it were bigger, it is just not, like, it's definitely snatching me for sure because it's so tight. Like, look at that. it just rolls right down. Every time I pull it up, I can't get it over my back. My back rolls. Okay, there, staying for the moment. Okay, even if it were the right size, so like a bigger size, something about the cut of these legs is just like digging. It's like too, I don't even know what's going on here. The cut of these legs is like, it's too, almost like too full coverage right here, that it's just pushing like my legs down, like it's digging everything in instead of like pulling it out a little bit. Does that make sense? Like it is a really like wide cut. Just pushes, do you see that? Now look, the sides are coming down. The back, my back is just kind of like hanging out of it. It's super uncomfortable. The booty actually feels nice and it has a really nice coverage on the butt. So this I actually like, but this part here, as you can see, it's rolled itself like 5 times. Like that's not cute at all. So I definitely need a bigger size, but even then, like, I don't like the cut of it, the cut of the leg of it. It's not flattering, it's just pushing everything out. And so I'm definitely gonna be returning this and not even trying to get the other size because this is just not it. The material is really nice. Like I feel like if this cut of leg works for you, it'd be really great of a piece. And if it's the right size, of course, but I don't like this cut on my legs. Like I'm hoping the other like panty isn't cut like this. We will see. This was kind of a fail. What a bummer. Okay, the packaging, you guys, she really like knocks it out of the park with the packaging. Everything is just so cute. This is the low back bra. So this is just like the sculpting bra that was super popular, couldn't get our hands on. But it has a low back, and I got it in the color Sienna in a 2X, 3X. Sienna is one of my favorite colors from this brand. I love that they have such a wide range of colors. And Sienna just, I feel like, looks the best on my skin tone. But honey, what is this? Like, it looks like it's for a doll. It's just like the sculpting bra when it was like super tiny like that. If you guys have tried that or saw my other Skims review, like, so I know this will go on. It's just like crazy like technology, but I do see the low back there. Very interested to see how the low back like sits on my back. My back rolls, you know? We'll see. Let's put it on. Okay. This is a little bit painful to get on because it just like rolled really small and then caught all my hair, and I don't know what happened with the sizing here. I felt like I got the right size. It's too small for sure. The bottom is kind of like digging into me and just like rolling. What's happening here? What's going on there? Yeah, like you see how it's just kind of like rolling up here. And these straps are like, it's just too small because these straps are just like rolling. You can kind of see, right? And it's just not comfortable. Which the other one didn't do this. I don't know if the other one that's not a low back, like what the straps were, because I don't remember being uncomfortable like this. I wish I would have gotten the next size up because it is really soft and really comfortable, and I feel like it has a really good hold to it, but it's just too tight around here. The back to it is definitely very low, which is really cool actually if you have something that goes this low to still be supported in the front just normally, but then have a basically like open back. And this tattoo is a Hebrew #1 in case you're wondering. I need to go one size up for this to be comfortable, but I really like it, and this is just kind of like genius back here, and I can't believe like how low it actually goes, and it feels like, I don't know, it just feels like you're not wearing anything. Oh my god, duh, the straps are adjustable, so let me just fix that. They're already rolling actually, even like I don't like that at all. I think maybe because they're so thin, I'm not sure. What a bummer, honestly, on like sizing. I wish I would have sized up because this would be so nice. I'd say if you have use for this, like if you do need something with a low back, this is a really great like soft support option for you. So I think I'm gonna return it and get another size because I really do like it. But let's move on to the next item. Okay, so next is the sculpting short above the knee. This is in ochre. in a size 2X, 3X. And ochre is another one of my favorite shades. I have like 2 top shades, and it's the sienna and the ochre. Ochre looks really bomb with like a self tan for me. Okay, these look absolutely tiny. I'm like scared to get into this. Look at the booty. That looks so funny. Wow, the stretch is really incredible though. It's interesting to me that these pieces, and this happened on the bonding brief as well, like the rubbers are stuck together. And I have to like peel them open. It's kind of strange. Maybe that just means a really good rubber. I don't know. Well, let's see if I can get into these. Okay, I think we found one that's actually the right size. Still having some problems up here with it rolling down, but I do like the coverage it's getting me. It's a very long short. I'm gonna back up in a second, but the shorts on it, and it just might be because I'm only 5'1", but the shorts are very long. They're going like past my knee a little bit. None of my shapewear really goes that far, and it was very hard to get into this one. Okay, so since it's so sheer, I'm actually gonna put on a pair of brown leggings. But you can see the top is rolling down, and it is the right size because it's fitting me well. But the top is just not, the top is not doing it, and I keep pulling it over, and you know, it just keeps rolling down. So yeah, the shorts go to like literally like below here. I'm really sad on this whole haul because none of these pieces like were what I wanted them to be, and none of them fit right, and are way longer than I expected them to be, and yeah, I'm just a little like, maybe I picked the wrong pieces. I don't know. If you guys have like go-to like really good pieces from the brand, let me know. Okay, this one's in like a bigger box. Oh, this is the sculpting bodysuit brief with snaps. Thank goodness she added snaps, because before there were no snaps, and like what am I gonna do with that? Take the whole thing off? No. We don't have time for that. This one was a little bit more expensive. This was $62. This looks so good though on all the models. I'm like, I have to have this piece. Again, in the color sienna. It just looks like a little bathing suit. It's so cute. I'm actually excited to get into this. I have the little snaps. It looks a little small, like the badge area. Looks a little small there. Know what I'm saying? The leg is like rounder. Maybe it's because it has to go over the butt in the back. This is an interesting cut. See what I'm saying? I don't know if it's like... It looks kind of strange, right? Okay, well, let's put her on. Okay guys, this one is a little bit sheer up at the top here, so I'm just gonna cover. I feel like we have redeemed ourselves. This is so comfortable. This is so cute too. It's like a very sheer like one-piece bathing suit. It has snaps like a bodysuit, so you can unsnap it. To be honest, I'd be a little concerned like when I do unsnap it if I'm going to be able to re-snap it, but straps on this bra, like this is what I was looking for in the first bra. These like really thick, like nice ported straps that just like stay put. This is what I wanted in the first bra, and I'm pretty sure this is the straps from the sculpting bra, the original without the low back. Bummed that these weren't on the low back one, but these are so good. It's pretty sheer like everywhere, so I'm not gonna like step back, but you can see it's really like cinching the waist. Like it's like tighter up at the rib cage, which I really like, and yeah, I feel really supported in this, but it's also really comfortable. You know, like shapewear is just very personal, I feel like, and you just have really particular things, and like you just have a particular way you want to feel, and so it's very like subjective. Yeah, so let me show you these straps and the cut back here. This is really nice. It has a really nice support, and it kind of snatches me, like I said, at the rib. It has kind of like a lower back. The straps are adjustable. I'm glad I found a piece that I actually liked. I was getting really bummed there was like nothing that I liked from the brand because I love the brand so much. I wear the underwear all the time. I love the underwear. It's like so good. Some of my favorite bras. This one has really redeemed itself. It's so comfortable. I actually don't want to take this off. Okay, and last but not least, the sculpting mid-waist brief. So I feel like she makes everything look good though, you know, so then you're like, well, I want it all, but then it gets on you and you're like, This is an umber. Umber is like that purpley one. It's not my fave, but that must mean that maybe this one is pretty good then if they were like sold out. They all have the same like little strange scrunchy booty in them. This one's actually pretty affordable. I feel like this is a good, at least it's before I'm trying it on, I'm saying this. I feel like it looks like it'd be a good like everyday, like just kind of keeping you held in type of thing, and it was only like $30, I think. Stretch. Okay, you guys, I'm really striking out with this stuff today. Other piece is obviously too small. It is not staying up, and yeah, I'm really bummed because I knew that you had to size up, so I got the 2X/3X, but I guess I need to go to the 3/4X. It's kind of a bummer. I like the cut on the legs. It's actually a little bit better. It's a little bit higher, which is nice, but still there's just something about the cut on the front and then there's just something about the front cut I'm not feeling. I don't know, it just like pushes me down. And like the material is great. Like it's a nice thick material. Thick but sheer at the same time. Like it's striking out, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed already, I hope that you hit subscribe and stick around. Let me know if you have any more questions, like anything I didn't cover throughout the video on the shapewear itself. And of course, as always, let me know if you have anything else that you guys want to see me review. I got you. I'm your girl. See you on the next one. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.